It's a decent day out today, so it's actually not that decent. It's just there's a little bit of sun, so I'm gonna go for a little bike ride and see what I can see.
Like 20 minutes ago, the weather was really nice. There's a bit of sun poking through the clouds, but now it's just sad. So we're in the nature reserve now. Just having a look around. Alright, well I forget the name of this hill, but I'm at the top of it. And it's a nice little view of Rinchopi from up here. There's the city just over there. Yeah. Kind of thought the weather was going to be nicer, but I don't know. I see blue skies over there, so the sun might come out later, but we'll see. I'm on this really random trail. It kind of parallels the main trail that I should be on, but it kind of looked fun, so we're gonna try it out. It's a bit muddy though, so. Whoa. Look at this, man. Oh damn, one of these fences. Oh, these are so fun. On the roll. We got another one. Oh. That looked awkward because it was. Let's get back on the main trail. There's so many cool mountain bike trails in here. This is like my first dose of gravel biking, which is kind of fun. I'm hoping this summer I'm going to do tons of trails just like this, do some overnights. It's going to be a lot of fun. This must be so pretty in the summertime. And it's all like green and lush, and there's flowers and birds everywhere. Damn. So cool. This is the thing about Sweden, is that it's like, it's free to camp almost anywhere as long as it's not private property. So I've been seeing tons of these things, which are like just little camping shelters that, you know, you can throw a sleeping bag in and be sheltered. It's kind of cool. Free firewood and everything there too. Oh. I picked a very muddy day to be biking. Easy does it. Easy does it. If I follow this road long enough, there should be a lake. So we'll go to that and then head back. It's giving Black Forest vibes.
The sound scarlet 3-piece suit and thing. So love is all I bring. So don't be like a puppet on a string. All you got to do is sing. I'm still in love with you, boy. So I say, and I will never let you go away. I'm still in love with you, boy. Man, you should have seen me and the big fat thing. Tell you when me scrubber in a constant spring. Tell you when me dubber in a constant spring. Tell you when me lover in a constant spring. Tell you when me dubber on the big bed spring. In a me 3-piece suit and thing. Tell you when me diamond socks and thing. Tell you when me earthman shoes and thing. Can me say rub off the makeup
You
fling
don't
when
know
the...
how to love me,
I wish I say.
not even how to kiss
Y'all know I know what's your nationality. Yeah. Because you broke down me door and you asked me for more. Sit down on me chair and I ask for a beer. Leave down on me bed and I draw me nothing. In the sun and I want to
I'm
go.
still in love with you, boy.
Man, you should have seen me and the big fat.
Well, I think I'm gonna call it there. Gotta go